Have you ever wondered what really goes on behind the scenes in global finance? What if I told you that a handful of people control the fate of the world economy? Sounds like a conspiracy theory, right? Well, that's exactly what James Rickards claims in his book, The Road to Ruin. Today, we're diving deep into this controversial bestseller. Buckle up because this might change how you see the world of money forever. Let's start with some facts about The Road to Ruin. Published in 2016, this book has sold over 250,000 copies worldwide. It's been translated into 14 languages. Clearly, Rickards' ideas have struck a chord with readers across the globe. So, what's all the fuss about? Rickards argues that a small group of global elites are orchestrating a financial collapse. He calls it the Ice-9 plan. If you're thinking that sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, you're not alone. But here's where it gets interesting. Rickards isn't some random conspiracy theorist. He's a financial advisor who's worked with the CIA and Pentagon. He claims to have insider knowledge of how the system really works. Let's break down his main points. First, he says the global financial system is more fragile than we think. Remember 2008? Rickards says that was just a warm-up. He believes we're heading for an even bigger crisis. Here's an example he gives. Imagine you wake up one day and can't access your bank account. ATMs are shut down. Credit cards don't work. Sounds far-fetched? It actually happened in Cyprus in 2013. Rickards argues this could happen on a global scale. He calls it a financial lockdown. Think about how much we rely on digital money. What would you do if you couldn't access it? But it's not all doom and gloom. Rickards offers advice on how to protect yourself. He suggests investing in physical gold. Not gold stocks or ETFs, but actual gold coins and bars. He also recommends holding cash. Yes, the same cash he says might become worthless. His logic? In a crisis, cash will be king, at least for a while. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds pretty extreme, and you're right to be skeptical. Many economists disagree with Rickards' predictions. They say the global financial system is more resilient than he claims. But here's the thing. Even if Rickards is only partially right, it's worth paying attention. After all, who saw the 2008 crisis coming? Let's look at another of his claims. Rickards says central banks are losing control. He argues that their policies, like quantitative easing, are doing more harm than good. Think about it. Have you noticed your savings account earning almost no interest? That's not an accident, according to Rickards. He also talks about the rise of cryptocurrencies. While many see Bitcoin as the future, Rickards is skeptical. He believes governments will crack down on crypto eventually. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Rickards just trying to scare us? It's a fair question. After all, fear sells books. But here's my take. Even if you don't buy into all of Rickards' ideas, the book is eye-opening. It makes you think about how the financial system works. And in today's world, that knowledge is power. So, what do you think? Is Rickards onto something, or is this just another doomsday prediction? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more book reviews and financial insights. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.